today here I'm serving a Moroccan Casablanca couscous. It's all mixed up here. A couscous and also the Casablanca couscous is just plain couscous and also the Casablanca. Yeah, the dish is usually eaten from Morocco, West Africa.
Hi, my name is 𝐇𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐆𝐄 and I will be serving Nigerian jollof rice. It's made up of green pepper, red pepper mixed together with tomato paste, and we boil the rice and soak it for like a day. Then we put it together with chicken. Yeah.
Oh, greetings. We are in the African food festival. So today I'm serving a steamed bread, of which is 𝐇𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐆𝐄, as well as ama dumplings, of which is ama dombolo. Okay.